Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vikas. Let's wait for other students to join.
Ma'am, is this SST period?
No, beta, this is not the SST period. This is your English creative writing period. But since we have done one English creative period, so we're not going to do it. But I would like to hear what letter you have written. The formal letter you were told to write. Have all of you written it?
Ma'am, I have sent it on group.
You have sent it on the group. Okay, how many of you have sent it? Only Vikas has sent, no one else has. Seems like only Vikas has sent. What about Athar?
Ma'am, many children have sent it.
Zoya, will you put your camera on, beta? Or you don't want to put your camera on? Tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was not able to do that because I was having my breakfast.
Okay, beta, now you've had your breakfast. Please do it now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, one formal letter, that is Sarthak's letter, I have received. Okay, beta, in the address, Sarthak has not joined.
Ma'am, please check my.
Beta, one by one, I'll check. This is by Anmol.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, first of all, everyone, I don't know, I have come across two subjects. Your subject in the letter, I have come across two letters till now. So what you're going to write in the subject? Invitation for annual day function. Okay. Invitation for annual day function. Everybody make this correction.
Ma'am, I have written this.
You have written this only.
Ma'am, I have written.
Invitation.
Ma'am, I have written.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have written inviting for your school annual day function.
No. Invitation for school annual day function. That's it.
Good morning,
And
ma'am.
for your school, she is not in school. It's your school, beta. Your school क्या होता है? Inviting her, our school annual. No, absolutely wrong. Who has written? Stuti. It's absolutely wrong.
Ma'am,
Stuti is
I
there.
also
She hello.
sent-
Stuti, beta, put your camera on first of all. Children, see now. I should not waste my time telling all of you that put your cameras on. Put your cameras on. This is very irritating.
good morning, ma'am.
Good
Sorry
morning.
for being late.
It has been really frustrating to keep telling the same thing again and again in all the periods. You don't want to be in the class, you're most welcome to leave the class. But don't sit like this.
Ma'am,
Sir, when Nandini beta, you're joining the class after such a long time. Where were you? The class was missing you. Hurry up and put your camera on. We are waiting to see you after such a long time. Aren't you missing your friends, Nandini? The girls' gang of the class, huh? Nandini is not replying. She doesn't want to talk. Is it so?
Ma'am, please.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I think I have sent after Stuti, ma'am. Please also check mine.
Sorry, ma'am, for being late.
Very late, not only late, for being very late. In the previous class, I had logged the meeting. That is why I had logged the meeting in the previous class. When there were three sections together, A, B, and C.
Ma'am, because I was having my lunch.
Beta, you should join the meeting. Just join it, keep your camera off, and say it right in the chat box. Ma'am, I'll open my camera in 2 minutes. That is the way. It is not that when you'll finish your breakfast, then you'll come to the class and then you'll say, ma'am, I was having breakfast. This is not the way.
And ma'am, my laptop also do some a type of crash jump, so ma'am, it restarted.
Yeah, that is a genuine reason. That is a genuine reason. If there was a fault of laptop, that can be accepted. But every time saying that, ma'am, I was having breakfast, so I didn't join is no reason. Join the meeting and keep having your breakfast. Okay, I will not say no for that.
Ma'am, can I read mine?
I'm reading. Okay, Stuti beta. First of all, inviting her. Subject up in subject you are writing inviting her our school annular day function. Huh? What is the spelling of annual? Shirish, type in the chat box and Stuti make the correction. What is the spelling of annual?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have not sent because I am having my breakfast and I have done so. Can I read my letter?
No, you send it. I will see to it and I'll make you do the correction.
Ma'am, I have sent the spelling of annual.
Stuti, can you see the spelling of annual in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. One thing. Now second thing, Stuti, subject आप ये letter किसको लिख रहे हो? अपने teacher को लिख रहे हो, है ना? और subject में आप क्या लिख रहे हो? Inviting her. उनको कह रहे हो inviting her. किसको invite कर रहे हो? तो वो पढ़ के ये सोचेंगी तो inviting her है तो मुझे क्यों भेजा है ये letter? है ना? Whom are you inviting? You are inviting it to the teacher only, na? You are sending it, sorry, to the teacher only, na? So the subject
Yes,
is
ma'am.
invitation for annual day function. This should be the subject. Everybody
Okay, ma'am.
who has not written this line in the subject, write it invitation for annual day function. कि जब कोई आपका लेटर खोलते ही पढ़ेगा तो what he'll read, he'll at once understand, oh, the letter is for this reason. There is an annual function and I'm being invited for that annual function. Okay? Second thing, most respectfully, I want to state, not I want state. Which state you want? The state of Uttar Pradesh? Huh? Yes? So I want to say. Okay, I want to make it, I want to say. Most respectfully, I want to say, I am the host of annual function. I am happy, but I am more happy if you come like annual day parents is come. You also come, you are my idol. The annual function date is this. I hope you come. Okay. See, you've tried your best. Very nice, beta. ठीक है? But थोड़ा सा ना, we'll make some change in the language. Okay? We'll make some. Keep it like this only. Keep it like. Good morning. Good morning, children. Let me log the meeting. Now, from now on, I'm starting to log the meeting. Those who enter the meeting in the first 5 minutes would be allowed. Otherwise, enjoy your whole period. Okay? It will assume that it's a free period for you. If you don't join within 5 minutes. Then, this is about Stuti's letter. In the end, I'm going to tell you how you have to write. What you have written, keep it like this only. But under it, you will write all the changes that I will tell you. Next, coming on to whose letter? Shirsh, you said you have sent after Stuti, but I can't see your letter anywhere in the class group.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Now I have sent it again.
Huh?
Ma'am, now I have sent it again.
Sent it again.
And ma'am, please check mine also.
Beta, I'm going through everyone's letter. This period I'll use in reading the letter only. Don't worry. Where is it?
But ma'am, I have sent it before Stuti.
Who? Vikas? Yes, beta, yes. You sent it before. Okay. Vikas is right. Let me read Vikas's letter. First, he was the first one to send. So many psalms, so many psalms. Okay, respected ma'am. Subject, invitation for annual day function, perfect. With due respect, our school was decided. No, our school has decided. Okay, make it has. Our school has decided to celebrate its annual day. Celebrate annual day, nahi beta, celebrate its annual day. Wait, Sarthak, wait, I'll come to you. So our batch has decided. Okay. So our batch has decided you to attend for making this celebration an eventful one. Okay. See, very nicely written, but we'll have to change the language of this line. So our batch has decided. So our batch would request. Okay. So our batch would request you to attend this function for making this event a memorable one. Okay. Beta, you can't decide on her, na? She will think that how rude is that? These children have decided and they are sending me the decision. Okay, you can't use this language. You will say, so our batch would request you to come over and make this function or make this event a memorable one with your gracious presence. Sarthak is writing, ma'am, before Vikas letter, I and Anmol has sent. Okay, Sarthak, I'll read now your letter. Okay, yours and Anmol's will be read. Don't worry. Then, in the end, because you sent in the end, just wait. So, this line is done. I was hosting. Okay, I would be very happy to inform you or to tell you or to bring in your notice that I am the host of this function, or I have been chosen as the host of this function. Everybody pay attention to what I'm saying. Just note down these lines somewhere in the rough column or in the back, at the back of your copies, so that you can make these corrections in your letter as well. It is not that I'm just telling it to Vikas and I'll tell separately to everyone. I would be very happy. I I feel immense pleasure to tell you, or it feels immense pleasure to tell you that I have been chosen as the host for this annual day function. ठीक है, आपको खुशी है ना इस बात की कि इस एनुअल फंक्शन में आपको होस्ट बनाया गया है ना? You are happy ना? It is such a big thing that conducting this thing annual function as a host is a big thing. So you are very pleased to inform your teacher that you have been chosen as the host for this annual day function. So with your gracious presence, yes, with your gracious presence, please make this function a memorable one for all of us. ठीक है, मैम आएंगी तो आपका फंक्शन क्या बनेगा? यादगार. What is यादगार in English? Memorable.
Memorable.
Very good.
Memorable.
And in the end, you can also write that it has been long years since we have met you. It will be really great to see you. Okay? Or we all would be overwhelmed with your presence. We all will be overwhelmed with your presence.
And please.
Thanking you, yours sincerely, Vikas Rathore. Okay. Now, Anmol. Anmol is there in the meeting? No, he's not there, so I will not read out his letter. Then, whose letter is this? Sarthak. Okay, where is Sarthak? Yes. Sarthak, again, beta, in the subject, what you have to write? Invitation for annual day function. ठीक है? Inviting नहीं, invitation. हम हमेशा noun use करते हैं. ठीक है? Then, respected sir. अच्छा बेटा, इसमें से एक तो good evening हटा दो. What if your letter reaches in the morning to your sir? हाँ? फिर वो good evening पढ़ेंगे ना?
Or
Yes.
ma'am,
Remove this good morning. Respected
and
sir.
ma'am, it can also reach at afternoon and night.
Yes, exactly. Okay, respected sir, I want to state that day after tomorrow is the annual function of my school. I want to inform that. With due respect, I would like to inform, or I want to say that there is the annual function of my school day after tomorrow. Okay, it would be very kind of you. ऐसे नहीं बेटा, सार्थक देखो आपने क्या लिखा है? So can you take out your valuable time? तो वो आपको लेटर में थोड़ा ना बताएंगे, है ना? वो आपको रिप्लाई थोड़ी ना कर पाएंगे. So you can't put up a question. ठीक है, हम लेटर में कभी कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं रेस कर सकते. ऐसे लेटर में हम क्या करेंगे? So it is a humble request, or it is a kind request, or it would be very kind of you if you come up. ठीक है? And be a part of my guest list. You want her to come as a guest? You're inviting her. So you want him or her to come as a guest. Then take out your valuable time to attend the function. Very good. And it gives me immense pleasure. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है आपको बताते हुए. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that I will be hosting the function, or the function is going to be hosted by me. Correct? So please come over and grace the day with your presence. So please come over and grace the day with your presence.
Ma'am, I have corrected all my mistakes.
Very good, beta. Very good. ठीक है, सार्थक, got that? Otherwise, you have also written very nice. You all have made very good attempt to write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is only that. बेटा देखो, everybody listen to me. जब हम कोई formal letter लिखते हैं, है ना? So we have to be very careful about the language. ठीक है, language जो होती है बहुत matter करती है, right? कोई भी आपसे बड़ा, जब आप भी बड़े हो जाओगे, suppose आपके students आपको letter भेजे, ठीक है? In case you become a professor or you come at a very big post, you become teachers or anything. So how would you like to read a letter from your student? With words full of respect, है ना? So please attend the, or can you attend? ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे ना हम. It would be very nice of you to attend the function. ठीक है? ऐसे words हमको use करने चाहिए. Okay? Now everybody make this correction in your letter. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, anyone else wants to know anything? Anyone's letter is left now?
Ma'am, my Pratyaksh.
Ma'am, my shears.
Okay, coming on to your letters also, don't worry. Where is it? Let me just find out. This is Pratyaksh's letter before me. अच्छा, one more very important thing. बेटा एड्रेस में आप ऐसे थोड़ी लिखोगे to the retired teacher. ठीक है, उनका नाम retired teacher थोड़ी है. You will write the name of the teacher. This thing I have seen in some previous letter also. I think it was Sarthak's letter or someone else's letter. Write the name, properly write the name of the teacher. Don't mention about her retired or his retired state. And one more thing, beta.
So, ma'am, we have to write which teacher's name?
Any name, any XYZ random name also would go. Not necessarily that it is not important to write the name of the teacher you know. Just write your father's name, your uncle's name, your aunt's name, anyone's name. And one more thing I was telling, writing it that tomorrow is the day annual function or day after tomorrow. Are you inviting someone at such a short notice? No, we can't invite someone at such a short notice. That person also needs to look after the schedule, look after his or her schedule, है ना? So at least it should be 5-6 days prior. So what you will write next week, or if you are writing today's date as 11th January, so write the annual function is going to take place, or it will be organized. It will be held on 20th of January. At least 10 days margin should be given. A week's margin should be given. Okay, take care of this thing.
But I have given 4 days.
Make it 7 days. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप कहाँ भेज रहे हो लेटर? You are sending the letter out station. है ना, तो उसमें
No,
भी तो
ma'am, it's
time
near
लगेगा
my
ना?
house.
अच्छा, it's near your house only. Then it's fine. If you are writing to someone, like I saw somebody writing it Lucknow or Delhi, and tomorrow is
No,
the function.
ma'am, I am writing to Tulip Grand, and ma'am, I live in Mahanagar.
Yes.
That's why.
Then it's fine. Then it's fine. Everybody, please make the corrections of your letters. Just do the correction in the letter. Then the next thing Shirsh was telling was, beta, and I bet that you will say amazing. What you will say?
Amazing once for his success.
Amazing
No,
once
ma'am.
means
मैम कि वो एक बार अमेजिंग बोलेंगे.
एंड बेटा ये लाइन नहीं होती है ना. आई बेट, मैं शर्त लगाता हूँ कि आप ऐसा करोगे. आप टीचर से ऐसे बात करोगे? यस. नो, वी कांट टॉक लाइक दिस. And I'm sure you are going to be amazed by seeing his personality.
And who was saying that?
What, Shish?
And what voice was that?
Are, my son is also taking classes. We sit together.
Oh. So ma'am, I will write. I am sure you will be amazed.
Yes, and I'm sure you will be surprised or you'll be amazed to see your student Praveer.
Ma'am, because when there was the first day when I came to school, Praveer was just asking. जब वो पहली बार मेरे पास बैठा था, he was saying that did you see Arvind sir anywhere? Because he used to teach us, I think, in first or second.
Okay.
And ma'am, Arvind sir always praised Praveer for his drawing.
Yes, undoubtedly. He's got a wonderful drawing.
Ma'am, after
Ma'am, please see my drawing I have made.
Very nice. Rishabh, you've drawn this? Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is CT class.
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am, this is CT class.
After this, we have CT period.
Ma'am, I have also drawn.
Wow.
Very nice, Pratyaksh. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. After this class, there is CT, then GK, and then science.
Ma'am, I am writing. I am sure you will be amazed after seeing his drawings.
Okay, very good. Acha, and then thanks for making me capable to draw nicely. Hence, kindly be at school. No. You just need to mention the venue and the time. Okay? Like you can write this also. The venue of annual function is the name of the school, and then time, ... and you can put the time.
No, ma'am. So hence kindly.
No, hence
Grade
kindly
2022
हटा
at 4
दो.
p.m.
Hence kindly हटा दो बेटा वहां से.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I will write venue at.
वेन्यू एट नहीं, वेन्यू का मतलब होता है जिस जगह फंक्शन है. ठीक है, वेन्यू.
Venue school.
हाँ, वेन्यू SR इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एंड टाइम like let's say 10 AM / 2 PM. ठीक है, 4 घंटे का फंक्शन है तो 10 to 2 the function is going to be held. Like it will
No, ma'am, I was just thinking because in our school there are many programs at the morning, but I was thinking to make it at the night.
Shirish, better don't go in so much depth. Don't make it an informal letter.
venue, ma'am. The venue spelling is VENUE. Venue at SR. Ma'am, I am writing SRI, not full. Ma'am, can I write only SRI, not full?
Yes, beta, write it.
Venue at SRI.
Can you ping anyone's chat on phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone's chat on
Yes,
phone
ma'am.
be pinned? How is it pinned?
Ma'am, you are doing it on phone. Ma'am, you are doing it on phone or laptop?
Beta, I am trying to help my son. So how do I pin his teacher's wall, his teacher's window? I just want to know this.
Ma'am, double click. Ma'am, double click on it.
Double click it.
Oh, yes, it's done. Yes, thank you.
So ma'am, I will write venue at SRI at time and date.
बेटा वेन्यू एट नहीं होता, वेन्यू के आगे बस डॉट डॉट लगा दो, ठीक है। वेन्यू का मतलब ये होता है कि फंक्शन एट,
Venue at SRI.
अगेन एट, शीर्ष
Venue dot SRI at the time and date.
यस
At 10 to. Now I am writing it 3. Venue dot SRI at 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
अब बेटा वेन्यू लिख दिया, उसके नीचे वाली लाइन में लिखो टाइम डॉट डॉट 10 AM ऑनवर्ड्स, जस्ट मेक इट 10 AM ऑनवर्ड्स, वी डोंट नो कब तक चलेगा।
No ma'am, because there is no line left under it.
न्यू पेज, कम ऑन द न्यू पेज,
But there is written thanking you.
ऊपर लिख दो, उसके ऊपर लिख दो, दिस इज फॉर प्रैक्टिस ना, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा अप डाउन वुड बी फाइन।
So ma'am, I will write venue dot SRI
यस
at 10 a.m. onwards.
देखो एट 10 AM तो होता है बेटा कि 10 बजे कोई चीज होगी, ठीक है, 10 बजे कोई चीज होगी एट 10 AM। 10 AM onwards means 10 बजे स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, ठीक है। सो डोंट राइट एट 10 AM, टाइम डॉट डॉट 10 AM onwards। यस
So venue dot SRI.
Ma'am, now I will start doing writing when I am with a pen, because in fifth there will be work and we have to do it with a pen.
बेटा
I
क्लास
have written?
5 में ही स्टार्ट करना ना, अभी से why are you starting?
No, ma'am, it's rough to make handwriting good.
So do
Ma'am, I
start
have
doing your rough work with pen, okay? Not your school work. Don't do it in the school copies.
Ma'am, I have written venue dot SRI 10 onwards. On 14th November, 14th January 2022.
Date on नहीं, on at कुछ नहीं, venue, time and date. That's all.
So ma'am, then on the next page I will write date dot
हाँ,
and ma'am then
yes. कब है annual function आपके स्कूल में? Tell.
ma'am 14th.
Okay, 14th January.
Ma'am, I am sending you after doing the correction.
Okay, Nandini beta, were you there in the previous class? Yes, were you there? No? Beta, why can't I hear you? You were not there. Okay, so this was the last class, was your English creative writing class, wherein you were supposed to write a letter, a formal letter to your retired teacher inviting him or her for the annual function of your school. Nandini, can you hear me?
I'm send.
Yes. Anyone has written the question also along with the letter?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've sent it right now.
You've sent it right now. Okay. Beta, please see Shir's letter. Just see, look, have a look on it, Nandini, and then start writing. Just invitation of annual day function. Subject में जितना कम लिखोगे उतना it should be it looks nice. ठीक है? Shirsh, which will be hosted by me was not important to write in the subject.
No, ma'am, I was just informing that it will be hosted by
बेटा वो
me.
तो आप लेटर में इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हो ना. Then why do you need to write in the subject? ठीक है?
Ma'am,
Subject should be very
have I written it in the letter that I am the host?
If you have not written it there, then it's wrong.
Ma'am, I have not written it in the letter. I have written it in the subject.
हाँ तो बेटा सब्जेक्ट से हटा के उसको मेक इट अ पार्ट ऑफ द लेटर, नॉट द सब्जेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, after thanks for making me capable to draw nicely. After that, without leaving any line, ma'am, can I write which will be conducted by me? By me.
Second, Shirsh, देखो, listen to me. Have patience. Don't be so restless. I don't know why you are behaving like this. In this letter, now we have to conclude the letter also. How do we conclude the letter? It would be very nice to have you, or we would be, or I would be eagerly waiting to see you at, then you can write the venue, date, and time. And yes, you can add that line here. It gives me, I feel very happy to inform you that the program will be hosted by me. Okay.
So, ma'am, can I start it from the next letter?
Yes,
Because,
you
ma'am,
can
no
start it.
space is left.
Just erase from there. It's just done by a pencil. Okay, erase it from there and then write all these important things.
So, ma'am, there you will meet all students, especially, ma'am, this all I will erase.
बेटा जो लास्ट वाली लाइंस है ना, वेन्यू जहां आपने लिख लिया है, उन
Yes, ma'am,
लाइंस
I
में
will.
राइट.
Come on.
The conclusion of your letter is missing. ठीक है? Conclusion is missing. What will you write in the end? You will write, I would be eagerly waiting for you, or we all would be eagerly waiting to have your presence. बेटा लेटर को conclude तो करोगे ना? I really feel overwhelmed. I would feel really overwhelmed to have you in the school. Okay? कुछ लास्ट में कैसी लाइन लिखो.
Ma'am, I will write, and we will. So, ma'am, what you said in the beginning, ma'am, I want to write that.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, from the morning you are teaching us.
Seriously.
Yes, ma'am, that's why ma'am
I'm having
also.
a headache now. I'm repeating and repeating the same thing so many times.
Ma'am, only for last time because then my
Now listen.
letter will
Be
over.
quiet and listen. ठीक है? Speak less, listen more. I would be really happy to have you over as my guest.
Be very happy Yes, mom. Happy
to have you over
to have you over
as my guest.
as my guest.
And then under it, you can mention venue, time, and date
Yes, mom. Dad.
in three separate
Mom, dad.
lines.
Yes, mom. Dad. Hi.